she swore if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She said that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. If I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder. She's 1 second farther from me. Now she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Let me work on that feedback.
Go ahead. Paul's going to work on the feedback while I tell you we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. Hope this is loud enough, Paul.
Seems like it is.
Yeah, it feels like it. And you notice now we're kind of a different location. Because we started out here at my upholstery business for about 1.5 years. Then we went to West Effect Studios for a while. And then we ended up at Bob Smith Toyota for the last couple of years. Well, we're back here at my shop. And this week I didn't even put the backdrop up. If you're wondering what all that background stuff is, that's all the stuff I need to make a living at my upholstery business. There's a sewing machine back in the corner. There's all kinds of truck seats and that we ship out to the semi-truck drivers for their upholstery needs. And so next week I'll have the backdrop. You know, we're still putting things together. So glad you're watching. Hey, Paul, we had a lot of hits last week.
Good.
Again, yeah, it was a great audience. Good. We have Dr. Kathy came up to visit, and of course Dr. Teresa.
Yay, Teresa.
Maybe we'll have Teresa do a song with us this set. I mean, maybe not, but no, we're going to have her do one for sure. I'm always kidding with her. Well, we give each other a bad time in a very loving way. Okay, Paul.
I might have got it.
I think you got it.
I think I improved it. Hey. Oh, no.
How's the family? Go ahead. Tell me later. Go fix the squeak.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change my mic. I'm going to change my mic.
Oh, Okay, he's gonna change microphones. So, yeah. So we're not at Bob Smith anymore. I will still be talking about them for a while because of how great they treated us for all that time. You know, it was wonderful. And I'm just about all moved out of there, and so I'm just trying to talk till Paul gets ready.
How's this? Is that better? That's better, right?
Well, I think it sounds great.
Okay.
Okay, we changed mics and everything is good now. Kim, how you doing? My daughter Kim is here, my grandson Brandon. And last week we were playing, and usually I close the gate. I have a big wrought iron gate that locks the lot up at night. And a bunch of people 5 people from Starbucks were drinking coffee. And they jaywalked across the street and came over to say hello. They were young kids, and they were so nice. And they sat there for about 20, 30 minutes while we played music, and it was great. So that was kind of...
They got me a coffee and a cookie.
Well, I know. I asked them when they walked up, did you bring me a coffee? And the little girl, she extended her hand like she was going to give me hers. I said, no, I'm just kidding. All right, Tony, you want to do one? Let's get it going. All right.
There's an old song, Fool Number One. Am I fool number one? Fool number two? How many other fools been fooled by you? I know that the number is far from being small, and I bet I'm still the biggest fool of all. Am I fool number one? Fool number two? How many other fools they've been fooled by you? I'll bet that the number is far from being small. I know I'm still the biggest fool of all. Brother Carmine. If I had my way, I'd do it all again. I'd walk down the same old road, back to her arms and then straight to those arms, and there I'd fall. 'Cause I know I'm still the biggest fool of all. Carmine. Am I fool number one? Fool number two? How many other fools they've been fooled by you? I bet that the number is far from being small. I know I'm still the biggest fool of all. Yes, I know I'm still the biggest fool of all. Nice picking, Carmine.
Who did that song originally? Do you know?
I want to say Brenda Lee, maybe.
Oh, it could have been, yeah.
Might have been Brenda Lee. One of those.
Too far forward. Well, Brenda Lee. Okay, so. 1, 2, 3. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, and no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Check my tuning while Paul talks to you.
Okay, Paul, stretch.
Okay, we are so happy to be here, facing beautiful Foothill Boulevard
And all the mountains.
here in lovely La Crescenta, California, where we've been for a while, but we did move from Bob Smith Toyota over here to Sardo's Auto and Boat and whatever upholstery. Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm really not trying to advertise or promote my upholstery shop. I'm so busy at my age. But a little lighten up.
A little extra work.
A little extra probably wouldn't
Couldn't
hurt.
wait.
Yeah.
Couldn't wait.
Anyway, we're having Tony. How many years were you in business?
54 in Glendale.
Yeah.
Tony Sardo Auto Upholstery
Yeah.
on Colorado Boulevard for 43 years, and then another 12 years on Glendale Avenue, right next to American Tire.
Yep.
How's that for a plug? And I'm not even in business anymore.
No, I know. When did you retire? How many years ago?
7 years ago.
You look great, Tony.
I'm loving
how's
it.
your lovely wife, Carol?
My wife's in the car. I'm going to wave to her. Carol, I love you. She's sitting in the car patiently, nice and comfortable, and waving on.
Now, last week your son Nicky was in town.
Nick is, yeah, he's coming into town.
And he came up
He's
and
coming
played.
back home pretty soon from
Good,
Prescott.
good.
He's going to move back
Good for
down here,
him.
so maybe you'll
Well, he came
see
down
him
last
soon.
week and did the show with us.
He had a ball, and
He did.
He wanted to thank you. He told to me you were very generous to him, Carmen, to let him play a lot, and he wanted to thank you
That's okay.
and the band.
He doesn't owe me anything. You know.
If he
Paul,
does, you're
do
not going
another
to get
one.
paid. I'll tell you right now.
All right, Sunday. Let's do a little gospel thing here. G. One, two, one, two. I was standing by my window on a cold and cloudy day when I saw that her since my mother, she was gone. All my brothers and sisters crying, what a home so sad and lone. And the circle being broken by and by, Lord, by and by. There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Just me and Tony now. Come on, Tony. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. In the sky, Lord, in the sky. That's the way you do it.
Good job.
Pretty.
I'm sorry, I might have screwed you up. I thought you meant for him to sing with you.
I did. That's exactly what I meant.
Okay, good. I just
Sorry, Paul. I didn't really pick up on that. You sounded.
Tony, do another one.
Well, Paul did the first. No. I'll do another one.
No, I know what we're gonna do. Yeah, Teresa, Doctor, I'll get you after this song. And why can't I talk right now?
Let's do a slow rocker because I always enjoy doing a little rock and I love to hear Carmine play guitar and the band and the drummer goes a little nuts and Paul sometimes throws in a few words and Paul, if you feel like coming in on anything in this, just jump in the chorus if you feel like it. Just nothing songs, couple of
Okay, let's do it.
Get out of there, kid. Roll those boards and Pam. Get out of there, kitchen. Roll those boards and Pam. Boy, standing right here, the downright hungry man. Gosh, yeah.
Come on up, Teresa. We're gonna have Dr. Teresa do something. What do you got?
How about Walk Through This World with me?
Well, there's a lot of kind of odd bar changes in it, but
Yeah.
I know the song.
Or Since I Met You, Baby?
Do that.
That's as simple.
That's good. That's good.
All right, we're gonna go with that one.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Teresa. What key you in on that one?
G.
What key?
G.
G.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy
Say
Easter.
that. Thank you for mentioning that.
Okay, I'm going to sing Since I Met You, Baby in G. Since I met you, baby, my whole world has changed. Since I met you, baby, my whole world has changed. And everybody tells me that I'm not the same. I don't need nobody to tell my troubles to. I don't need nobody to tell my troubles since I met you, baby, all I need is you. Since I met you, baby, I'm a happy woman. Since I met you, baby, I'm a happy woman. I'm gonna try to please you in any way I can. Since I met you, baby, I'm a happy woman. Since I met you, baby, I'm a happy woman. I'm gonna try to please you in every way I can. Oh yeah, I love this band.
Thank you, Teresa. Isn't she sweet?
She's a
Thank
sweetheart.
you. Kathy, I see you got Out of the Sun. Oh, good. I just turned it off. Wait a minute, folks. I just said good, in case you missed that, because I turned my mic off. That's a very important part of the show. Anyway, yeah, by next week, you know, I was kind of thinking, Paul,
Yes.
I think at my age and what we're doing here and all the fun we're having, I think I'm going to turn this situation more into a studio that does upholstery.
Yeah,
rather than
that's a
yeah,
great.
yeah, not
great
an
idea. I love
upholstery
that
shop
idea.
that does a little music thing on. It's going to be mostly about this.
Yeah, it'd be a music studio.
I'm going to have the backdrop up nice with the signs. I'm going to fix the whole place up. You watch.
That'll be great.
Stay tuned, folks. You're not going to believe what's coming next. What? Go ahead.
Don't lose the sewing machines. Keep them.
Oh, no. I can't pay the light bill
You gotta
without
keep those. But,
what are we
but
talking
other than
about?
that,
No, I got to keep working.
it's going to be amps and guitars.
It's going to look good.
Yeah, it's
Absolutely. It doesn't look too bad right now, but we're going to get it going. What do you think, Tony? We can make it work, huh?
I'm happy.
Yeah, good. Well, I'm trying to. You want to do another song? Go ahead.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Why not? We're here.
On the corner of the bar stands the jukebox with the best of country music, old and new. He can play up 5 selections for 1 quarter, then hear someone else's songs when yours are through. I've got good Kentucky whiskey on the counter, and my friends around me help me ease the pain, till a button pushing cowboy play their love song. Here I go, I'm missing you. Please, mister, please, now don't play B-17. That was her song, it was our song, now it's over. Please, mister, please, if you know what I mean, I don't ever want to hear that song again. Time I've held her, or every time I've had to set her free. You know I'd be the richest man in Memphis, maybe even in the state of Tennessee. But I guess I'd better get myself together, 'cause when she left, she didn't leave much behind. Just a note beside her picture saying I'm sorry. A song that's weighing heavy on my mind. Please, mister, please, now don't play B-17. It was her song, it was our song, but it's over. Please, mister, please, if you know what I mean, I don't ever want to hear that song again. I don't ever want to hear that song again.
Oh, Tony, that was great.
Oh,
Great
thank you. It's an
job.
old
Great
song, but it's a fun song. Thank you, Paul.
Great song, great job.
Hey, who did that song? Was that Olivia?
No.
Who did that song, Tony?
No, I'm not sure. I can't think of it.
I want to say Olivia Newton-John did a cut on it, but I could be wrong. Somebody out there might know. Tell us if you know.
I think it was some male artist.
What do we got, Paul?
Oh, let's do
It's a beautiful day today. After this, I've got to go home, and Susie and I are going to drive up to Palmdale and see her sister Ann and Jackie and family up there, and we got a little Easter thing we're doing.
Nice.
So I had a little downtime this morning and thought, no, we do a show.
You're going to see Ann.
I'm going to go see Ann.
Give her my best.
I will.
No nuts today.
No, I'm off tonight.
All right.
I worked it last week. I'll be back there tomorrow. Tomorrow night, hacking it out. I don't know what we're doing down there. Anyway, we're having fun.
You must be eating a lot of boysenberry pie. That's all
I
I
am.
got to say.
I am, and it's good.
It's still great down
You know,
there.
we get the employees get in the cafeteria food's real cheap. Everything's like $2-3. Big meals, you know, they really
Great.
treat you good.
That's good.
So I don't really go there for the gig. I go there to eat. The gig's kind of like an after
Is
thing.
it starting to show a little bit?
I don't know. I don't know. It might be. So, okay, Paul. What is it?
Key of G. Well, I was born in the Southland 20-some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I picked the oranges down in Florida, picked the cotton in Alabama. I pick the walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I'm gone. I'm a free-born man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Nice bass solo there, Paul. Kim, how much time we got? I didn't bring the clock out today. Hope you all having a good Easter. Be nice to each other. This is a nice part of a nice time of the year, Easter time, and it's all good. We got people on the front office wondering what's going on. I didn't tell them what we were doing.
They're on a need-to-know
Huh?
basis.
10 minutes.
We got 10 minutes. I'm gonna do another one real quick. I don't know why. I'm gonna do one so far. You see? I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is going to satisfy mine. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Half my friends have died. The white freight line is going to satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That old dog will bite, and people they will treat you kind. And that old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. On a highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And that old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, people will treat you fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. dog will bite and people there will treat you fine. I don't know what that means, but whoever wrote it, that's what they wrote.
That's what they wrote.
That's a good song. We got about 5 minutes left. Tony, you can close the show. Go and do another one.
Paul can
I'm
close
here
it.
all the time.
Yeah.
You're the guest.
Well, we always do the midnight special.
Well, let's
Otherwise, I
do it.
don't show up.
That's a good one.
If you know what,
So we're gonna
just
do
if he
the-
gets to play it a little bit.
It's a good song.
Well,
I love it.
I do it all the time, but it's kind of a fun thing to do, so that's why
It
I
is,
do it.
absolutely. So we're gonna do Midnight Special, and then we're gonna see you next week, and it might be a little different next week. I'm gonna make improvements and keep it going. Okay.
Where you wake up in the morning. You know you stumble to the table. You see the same old thing. No food on the table. Ain't got no pork in the pan. You better not complain, boy. You'll get in trouble with the man. So let the midnight special shine a light on me. Just let the midnight special shine its light on me. I said the midnight special shine its light on me. You let the midnight special shine its light on me. Want to hear Carmen play the midnight special? Yonder come Miss Rosie. How the heck do I know? By the way she wears her apron and other clothes she wore. Her umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. She come to see the governor. She gonna free her man. So let the midnight special shine that light on me. So let the midnight special shine its light on me. You know the midnight special shine its light on me. And let the midnight special shine its light on me. Carmen, play it. That's it. Yonder come Miss Rosie. How the hell do I know? By the way she wears her apron and lots of clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. She come to see the governor. She's gonna free her man. I'd let the midnight